Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a high quality video edit, like a 4K one in CapCut PC. Go to the adjustment section, if I could just click on it. And you're going to put the brightness up to around 10%. Then you're going to put the contrast at around 18. You're then going to go to saturation and you're going to put it up to around 12. Then you are going to go to the illumination one and you're going to do around -13. And you're going to sharpen it up to around 70. My video is a little bit too bright, so I'm just going to adjust the brightness again. You don't have to. Then I'm going to go to the effects section here, and I'm going to go to lens, and I'm going to add in the soft one on top, and I'm going to put the soft light to around 25 to 30. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!